and we both ended up talking about the opportunity that we have in front of us as business owners and people who are trying to, do well, if you will, and go to the next level. And we talked about, the opportunity that exists with all the technology, all the social media stuff. And this is very relevant to my, approach in working with advisor. And I wanted to share some insight which I believe can help you and really help you see things clearly, because there is some confusion out there. So first of all, the big opportunity that we all have is to really tap into technology and social media and grow our businesses, add more value to people, get more clients, help more clients achieve what they want to achieve. So that's a big opportunity. Now, the challenge with all this stuff, with all the social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and all the other platforms, is there are really two ways to interact with the platform. So number one, you can play on the platform or you can watch on the platform. And generally, like at any other place in life, people who play, they get paid. So for example, people who create video games, they get paid. People who play, which is the watch part of video game, then they don't make any money. Like, we saw basketball season ended, Raptors won the championship, and everybody was watching them, including me. And all of us who watched them didn't make any money watching them. But the players obviously got paid a lot. So there's always, you want to play on the platform and you don't want to watch. So if you are looking to tap into the opportunity of social media and grow your practices and business, if you're a financial advisor, then you want to learn how to play on the platform and not just consume content and not just watch. Because if you get into the bad habit of watching social media stuff, like content, videos, posts, articles, and all that stuff, and if you forget to play or if you forget to learn how to play, then this is going to be a missed opportunity. Like, you will be a consumer of social media, but you're not going to really make any money from the power of social media that it offers to you. So that's number one. And the second insight I want to share with you is a lot of advisors understand that this is a big opportunity. In fact, they're very interested in playing, but they can't figure out how to play. And I personally had the same problem before. And what I learned through my experience, and I'm also now seeing that helping other advisors, is it's the opposite. So most advisors believe that to get something out of social media, which is, let's say, get booked meetings, which is one of the most important thing you can do as an output of you playing on social media. And most advisors think that you need to post a lot of content, you need to have people like you need to have people follow you, and maybe someday one of those people who do that will end up setting up a meeting with you, right? So that's kind of the common knowledge, which is not true. So you don't want to, initially, you don't want to start with content and sharing approach. Like, for example, this video that I'm doing, the reason of the video is to share some useful content, and some of the people who watch content would be interested in seeing what else I have to offer. So that's the strategy. But you don't want to do that strategy in the beginning. What you want to do in the beginning is you want to use the social platform and directly outreach people, which means go to people and try to get meetings booked. And advisors kind of do the other way. They try to post content and expect meetings, which doesn't happen. In my program, we do the opposite. We don't post anything in the beginning. In fact, I have clients who are advisors now starting to get booked meetings consistently. They don't post anything. In fact, now I've been pushing some of my clients to start posting something. So you start by not posting anything, but just careful positioning, and there's some strategies to be executed there. And once you do that, you can start getting meetings.